In this video I will show you how to create Instagram account. We start from the first page that Instagram shows us after downloading the Instagram application. And now the first thing we have to do is go to the bottom part of this page and we click on create new account. Now we arrive to this page and here, as you can see, we can sign up with two different methods, with our mobile number or with an email. In my case, I will choose with an email, so I click on the bottom label, sign up with email. Then in this other page, we have to enter a new email, and it is very important that we have not created another account with this email yet. In my case, I'm going to choose this email. And then we have to press on the next button at the bottom. Now, as you can see, Instagram has sent us a verification code so that we can confirm that this is our account. What we have to do now is to close this page and we have to open the Gmail application. Now here, as you can see, I have a message from Instagram and I have to open it. Here I can see that Instagram has sent me this message and I have to copy this code. So I keep pressed and then in this panel I press and copy. Then we return back to the Instagram page and here we are going to keep pressed and we press and paste so that we paste this code. Now in this page we have to create the password for our account, and after we have written it, I recommend you to check this box that says remember login info, and then we press on the next button. Then in this page they are asking us what's our birthday and we have to indicate it. In this panel labeled set date we have to indicate the month, then the day and then the year, and after that we press on the set option. Now in this page we press on the next button. Here we have to write our name and be very careful, this is not our username. It's just our name and it doesn't have to be unique. We write it and then we press on the next button. Now in this other page we have to create our Instagram username, and it is very important for you to know that this Instagram username needs to be unique, and as you can see, Instagram has recommended us a username that is actually unique. In my case, I'm not going to modify it, so I press the next button. Then in this other page we press on the button I agree. After that, in this page we can add the profile picture, but in my case I go to the bottom and I press skip. Now here we have just created our account and that's it.